This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description.
So in this video, we are talking about food stencils. So if you're just starting your decorative journey and you're not so good at things like, say, writing, or maybe you're running something like a cafe or bakery, and writing takes too much training for your employees, which is expensive, these stencils are a great way to add decorative touches that are consistent and cheap to accomplish, right? The stencils themselves are not that expensive. I bought this little set for Valentine's Day a couple of years ago, and I don't think I ever ended up using it, but I'm just going to show you how you can quickly use it with things like powdered sugar or cocoa powder to get a nice decorative finish. These are made for cookies or cupcakes, but you could use them also with cocoa powder on the tops of things like lattes, right? And just taking it and do a simple dusting allows you then to pick up your stencil, and as long as you don't go too overboard, reveal your design, right? So it does take just a little bit of finesse, but it's easily accomplished, and you can even use it to do things like leave designs on plates and do some other decorative finishes, and they're a really nice way to finish off your baked goods. And they can be used with a variety of things, not just powdered stuff like powdered sugar or cocoa powder, but also with airbrush food coloring, with royal icing, and with buttercream on a variety of different products.
If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.